Hi, can I touch you? No. Oh, okay. Hi, baby. Hey.
Oh! Oh, shit!
Hey. Good morning, buddy. Good morning, baby boy.
Kedua. Good girl.
That's insane.
Mimic, you are not a fucking husky. Get in the house. Mimic.
Bagel. Bagel.
Hello, ladies.
The attitude she has.
What?
What did you do?
It's not
You're
funny.
a monster.
Oh.
Okay. Wow!
Yeah!
Do I have to get Dad? I guess I should call Dad.
Go tell Dad.
Who's biting this? Who's being a bad boy? Who's being...
Do you want me to call Dad? I'm gonna call him. Dad?
I didn't mean to drop it. Honey, no, 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 no. Honey, no. No, honey, no, 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 no.
Fine.
Gonna do what I want to do.
That was an
Who the fuck is in bed with you? I see the cup. Maya. Hi. Hi, Maya.
Nope. Nope.
Joy, Joy.
Peter, the horse is here.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Excuse me. Wait.
It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't name it your pups, right?
Do not bite. No. No. Are you done? Nope. No.
Didn't I just say leave it alone? Benji, stop eating that. Stop trying.
Are you being sassy to your mama? Excuse me, you do not talk to me that way.